All right, so if you caught my last video, you know that we're preparing to move into the RV. Hopefully this late spring, early summer. But we'll be playing a lot of things by ear. But we'll take you along with us for each step of the way. One of the things this means is that I'm clearing out my current office space. And it's amazing, guys, how much stuff accumulates in a year or 3. Okay, like we had a ton of stuff anyway, but then we moved in and somehow got more stuff. So we have a ton of stuff. And as you can see behind me, some of it is the equipment that I use for the channel, and a lot of it is books and research and equipment I use for writing, and then the aesthetic bits. A lot of the aesthetic bits are actually down already, packed away, and we will be making more and more of those kinds of changes in the very near future. One of the things that we're doing kind of toward that end is we're rearranging the shop. And it's going to be very difficult because we need it to be a functioning shop, and it needs to function as sort of a secondary living room office space for us, because we can eat, sleep, and exist in the RV, but we can't have the big screen TV in there. You know, we can watch TV in there, but they're a little bitty, and that's harder for Tom to see. I can use my laptop and write in there, but I wouldn't be able to set up all this equipment, and I certainly wouldn't be able to, I don't know how the internet access is going to work once we get everything transitioned to the shop, because that's where most of the household stuff is going to go. That's where we're going to store almost every single thing, is in the shop, while we and the bare necessities occupy the RV, and during the time that we're tearing this house down and building the new house, which we're ridiculously excited for. The main thing that we want to avoid, of course, is getting halfway there, or not even quite halfway there, and winding up with a something that we can't live in, and running out of money. And with the way the economy has been, we don't want to run out of money. So we're still saving up, but while we're saving up, we went ahead and purchased the RV. And we're getting everything ready so that when we do have the funds to get at least the shell and the basic plumbing, and heat and air, I mean the basic necessities, into the house. Once the plumbing and the electric is in, we should be good to go for the most part. So, you guys, this is going to be an exciting year. There's still so much I have to share with you. So be watching the Facebook. There may be Facebook Lives that pop up over there. Be watching the channel here. Just find us on Instagram. There may be shorts that are uploaded there. And come along for the ride, because it's going to be a wild one. Until next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see ya.